So in this video I'm sharing with you a week of my life in Playa del Carmen. I'm working 100% remotely, so I'm traveling around Mexico for 6 months. So I'm in Playa del Carmen for now for a month before heading up to Yucatan and some other states after. I've already been to Cancun and Isla Mujeres, so I've got a few videos from there as well that you can check out on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully it will give you an idea of what Playa del Carmen is like and things to do and around, like cenotes and everything. Hello, so we're at Kantun Chi. I'm not sure exactly how you pronounce it. It's just about 20 minutes from Playa del Carmen. We took the colectivo here and we just asked them to drop us off at the Cenote Azul, which is another cenote, but we didn't end up going there. So this one, we paid 627 pesos, which works out about 21 pounds, 22 pounds. And it has 5 cenotes and an underground river, but we just paid the basic amount, which is a self-guided tour, which gets you into the 4 cenotes. So we're at the first one and it's already amazing. We're the only ones here. I think it's around 10:30 a.m. and it's like a semi-underground one, like a semi-cave. And it's so cool, it's really nice. So I'm excited to also go to the other 3 ones as well. But if you pay extra, I don't remember exactly, I'll just throw up on the screen the prices. You can get like a guided tour and it takes you also the underground river, which I've heard is quite cool. It's just we're on a budget, but it's still definitely worth coming, like just for the basic rate as well.
I love the way she calls.
Hello, so I'm just about to film some stuff for work. I've got my laptop here and I've got the camera in front of me all set up. So I'm gonna go and do this and then also spend a few hours editing a video that I've got. But yeah, today's just a chill day, just working. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'm staying in an Airbnb with my partner at Luis Donaldo Colosio. It's a neighborhood just above Fifth Avenue and it's only 10 minutes away from the beach, which is nice. It's also close to restaurants and shops. I really like Playa del Carmen and the internet is really good, especially if you're working remotely like we do. And you can also follow me on Instagram. I post a lot about my experience in Mexico and also generally about budget travel and traveling by public transport. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in the next video.